Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close partials right here on Tradingview. First thing that you need to know is that you need to connect your broker to Tradingview, otherwise you can do actions like this. So then for that you go to trade, connect your broker, and then after that you're ready to go. Then right now the only thing that you need to know is if you go right here to the screen right here, you see here all the positions that we are having. I want to close now a position that looks green, so this one is fine. So what I'm going to do is click here on the cross, and then we can select right here partial close. Then right now we can decide how much we want to close. So let's say we want to close the half of the trade. Then we click here on partially closed position. And then right now we just close the half of the trade. And we have the other 50% right here still in our position. So that's why it's now 1K instead of 2. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.